first of all, before we are beginning, I must tell you that if you feel free, if you have any questions, if you want to know additional details or you want to see more demos, feel free to write us in the chat. And also, please write your details in case we don't manage to talk with you, to get to you back later via email. And also, please download the flyer from this session to read more details about the solution we are going to present here. So as I mentioned, we are going to see Kiwi. Kiwi, as a multi-language chatbot, enables any customer from across the world to easily have a conversation in their native language. Okay, anytime they need. So first of all, Kiwi greets us and ask us to choose a language in which we will speak with him. And for the start, I will choose English. Okay, and I will say Kiwi my problem, which this time is that I cannot download Outlook from Google Play Store. Okay, and Kiwi has learned many problems with the associated solutions. This time, he gives me two solutions, like Clear Cache or Clear History. I will choose Clear Cache, and I will follow the instructions that he gives me here. I will try it right now, and unfortunately, it doesn't solve my problem. So I will say to Kiwi that the information was not helpful. Of course, all these steps, all the messages that Kiwi writes to me are easily customizable. Okay, so I have a new set of instructions from Kiwi, and finally I managed to download the application from Outlook. So I will tell Kiwi that yes, it was helpful. However, I had also another option to connect to an agent and further explain to him my problem, and maybe he could help me, a human agent. But this time I will say that yes, it solved my issue, and yes, he can help me with something else. Okay, but as I said, we have in front of us a multi-language chatbot. So I will switch to another language, German. And because I have more problems with my phone lately, it keeps freezing, it is annoying. I will ask about the warranty. Now let me ask him about the warranty of my phone. Okay, in German. And once again, he has identified that I want to know more about the warranty, and he gives me this information about the 24 months warranty for my phone, for example. Okay, it was helpful. Now I understand that I have a 24 months warranty and other informations. Of course, this message can be changed according to our needs. And yes, it was helpful, his answer. Okay, next. We also implemented to Kiwi a feedback mechanism for the moment, because we want to keep records of all the interactions that he had, if he answered correctly or not to the customer. And that's why we had we asked Kiwi to ask if it was helpful or not, and I answered that yes, it was correctly, that he answered correctly. And he also can generate for us a report, but this time in this demo I will not generate that report. Okay, so now that I know about the warranty, I also saw a commercial about the new Huawei P20 Pro, and I want to learn more about it. Okay, but again I will switch to another language, this time in Spanish. So Spanish, please. Kiwi. Okay, and I will ask him the specification of Huawei P20 Pro. Also, Kiwi has stored all a database with multiple smartphone models and different aspects that I want to know about that phone. For instance, the specifications. And he answered correctly that he gave me details like the camera of 16 megapixels or the capacity of the battery. Again, he asked me if everything is correct, if he answered correct to my question, and I tell him that yes, everything is okay. Furthermore, I want to see how much does it cost this new phone. So I'll ask him the price. But this time again, we will choose another language, Chinese. Okay. And he switched to Chinese, and I ask him the price. Again, he has the model already stored, and he identifies that I want to know more about the price, which he tells me that is 470 euros, which is a bit too much for me. So I will say that I want to try to repair my old phone. So I want to complete a service request. I will switch back to English. Okay. And I say to Kiwi that I want to complete a service request and see if he can help me with that. Of course, first of all, he must take my identity card to extract some details from there, and I will upload it to him now. Okay. He now extracts all the information from my identity card, like my name, my address, my ID number, because he will need it later in the process. And he extracts this information with an optical character recognition software from Abby. If you may heard of it, it's the best in its branch. Okay, he will extract the information, and once all the information from my identity card is successfully extracted, he will want to know more about my phone. So he asked me to give him a screenshot. Okay, we can see the screenshot here, from where he will extract several important informations like the model number, serial number, and so on. Let me close it. Okay. Again, in the same manner, he extracted with an optical character recognition software. Now he asked me for my email address. Okay, let me check it. Okay. And now he will use this address to complete the service request and also my telephone number. Okay. Good. And he also wants to know the date of purchase of my phone 1 of July 2020. Okay. Okay, so he kept record that I had a problem with Outlook from Google Play Store, and he wants to know more details. I will say that yes, and add and keeps freezing. It is very annoying, and that's why I want to send it to the service. Okay, so he generated, based on what of all information that I gave to him, he generated a service request. Okay, which I will open and check if everything is correct. Okay. So as you can see, he correctly extracted my name, he put in my email address, or also my number, the city, country, serial number from the screenshot from my smartphone, and also the address. And he also stated my problems, that I cannot download an Outlook application and that the phone keeps freezing. So everything is correct. And he asked me if I want that Kiwi to send me a courier driver to pick up my phone, and I say yes. Now Kiwi starts an RPA robot, which will also run on my laptop for this demo, but usually it runs in the background in another laptop. But for the demo purpose, we will see it. he already knows that I have a Huawei smartphone, and he will enter the website from Huawei and search for the nearest service center from my based on my address. He will select the country Romania and the city Bucharest, and he will take all the information like the address of the service center, the schedule, and also the phone number to contact, and it will return it as a message in my chat. And this is the message. As you can see, the schedule extracted from Huawei website, and also that the courier driver will arrive on the 13th of October from my address that he extracted from my ID. Okay, everything is correct. And now, Kiwi, you can't help me with anything else. Okay. In the meantime, we should also receive an email, and that's it. Okay. An email that summarizes what I talked with Kiwi, the last message that the courier will arrive on the 13th of October to pick up my phone. Basically, I managed to complete a Service Factory request only with the help of Kiwi, only providing him 2 or 3 documents like my ID card, yeah, or my screenshot from my phone, and that was it. If you have any questions or not, feel free to contact us if you want to know more about this chatbot or other chatbots that we develop, and if you want to schedule to have a demo or something like that, feel free to write in the chat, and also leave your contacts so that we can contact you personally.